The love that was shown by your people. I'm talking about your man right here, Bun B.
Yeah, that's my brother.
Exactly. Like, how long did y'all know each other?
We've been knowing each other. I mean, look, me and that nigga been through so much shit together, man. Look, man, we done been on top of the world and at the bottom of the grind together, man. We done grind, we done had to do illegal shit together. You know what I'm saying? I done been wrong, he done rolled by me, and he done been wrong, I done rolled with him. You know what I'm saying? We done been right together, we done been wrong together. You know what I'm talking about? We done roll with it, we gonna ride till the wheels fall off. You know what I'm talking about? So it's like, hey man, it's a natural thing. It's usually take a life. We ain't playing no games. It's serious, man. This shit for life, man. And we meant that when we put that shit in our skin. So, you know, it don't matter. You know, the state of Texas tried to break us up. You know what I'm talking about? But it was just a plot. Any black man out here having it can get caught up. It ain't no thing. Young Pimp ain't no different than the next man. You know what I'm saying? Only difference is, you know, hey, I had something to come home to. I had people out here fighting for me. I had folks out here wearing these t-shirts and getting down for me and writing me